I want the flower? Probably? Or... well, all I can do right now is flip the on-off. Do I drop the giant Koopa? Oh, there's stuff on the right too. Okay. There's a P-switch over there which will give me the flower. Uh-huh. That's a thing. There we go. Let's see, I need another key. Is it going to come out of the swamp? That's too easy. There's something coming out of the pipe, isn't there? Oh, no, I need to trigger the swamp to get the first on-off cycle going. That Buzzy Beetle, does that have a key? No, the note block has the key. But I can only trigger this once? Did I need to have something come out of this launcher before I did that? Well, reset doors help, so I can try it now. Oh! Is it auto-solving itself now? Yes. I need a key again. I see a swamp again. I see a stack of on-offs again. There's a POW up there. I need to activate a P somehow. Swamp goes right. And a P comes out. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, the claw is going a different way. How do I get the P out now? Okay, P active. Keys. Why did you drop the POW there? No, 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 no. There we go. Go that way. Drop a POW next to me. Grab it! Oh. Boo. No, not the coin claw. The POW. Grab the POW. Yes. Are you going to pull it past the P? Good. Come all the way around with it. Let's stand here, in fact. No, you dropped the POW. You have to be taking it the other direction? Fine. Oh, you left it here. How did we make that happen before? This is wrong. Ugh. Now you're going counterclockwise. That's what we need. Getting it to drop in exactly the right spot, though. I don't know where to stand. Good enough. I didn't need the second key. Why were there two? Whatever.